All right, we're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol BTDG. This one was mentioned over in the investorshangout.com/live chat. I can go ahead and pull that up real quick for you. See it in the bottom left. And if you've never seen our live stream, you can see that right here. You can see that he talked about it right here. BTDG 0005, nice hits. So you can go here, you can chat with everybody else, you can click on it, and it'll open up into a screen. You can public reply, private reply directly off of that. So that is what our live stream looks like. So put the little chart down there in the bottom left, and we're going to jump right back into this. Great call. You just seen that right there, BTDG 0005, nice hits. All right, so congratulations to that member. Job him. Great find. Great job. Really a three-day rally here. Looking into the past, I really can't add too much on where it's going to go. It is way too early because of the fact that there's not much trading going on here. So basically, more or less, I think that me and Joe are going to try to look into a little bit of the company. And congratulate that member for, mentioning this down here, because off of that mention, I mean, how much you up? Let me go ahead. I can pull that up right here for you to get the percent gains, but 0005, you're gonna see it right here. 60% gain since he mentioned it in the chat. So congratulations to everybody that's there watching this. Going in the past, yeah, you see these little pops here and there. That's what I'm basically looking at. Coming off 0001, hitting a high of 0007. This one had a big day, but yeah, you see these pops right here. Look at this one. I mean, this one came out of nowhere, kind of like where it's at now. That was an open of 0003 and a high of 0011. That's a massive gain. Now you're at 0009. Again, congratulations to him and to all the members that are watching this. So, Joe, do you guys want to add anything to this one?
Well, I'm over on OTC Markets. I was looking at see if there was any recent news.
Okay.
They had they issued supplemental information on the December 6th, and that was regarding, let's see, there was a payment made to DirecTV that they actually made and finished paying on it. It was a release of lien.
Okay.
It was in the amount of $157,495,000.
I wonder if Jobham knows anything about it. Jobham, if you know anything about it, go ahead and just drop it in the chat. Or if you just
so that was from 2013, that lien right there. So now they paid that off as recorded on November 8th, 2016. I don't know what it was for. They don't really go into why they owed DirecTV that kind of money. But I mean, it's paid for though. So whatever the lien was that they had on them is off. And then there was they did the 8K, and that was on the 7th, the following day. And so I mean, I just pulled that up right there.
So they did the 8K on.
They did an 8K on the December 7th. They issued supplemental information on the 6th.
Okay. Yeah.
So that was pertaining to the that lease or the lien that was on them from DirecTV.
Okay. Yeah,
and
so I
say that they paid it off.
Yeah, so I'm looking here for everybody that's watching here on the chart. So you're basically right here. Let me go ahead. So right here, where you just seen that red line where I just drew that, this entire area is 1 year. That is why I really can't get too much of a read off of this. I mean, in April, you opened and hit a high. You opened at 0001 and hit a high at 0002. I can't. You can't really work off a chart with this, but you know what? That's what these videos are about. You know what I mean? You look into them, and like Jobham just said in the chat, I'll throw that up there real quick in the left so you can see it. Just follow the volume. All right, and on his behalf, definitely right. I mean, you're up 166% today. Total, you're up 60% from where he talked about it in the chat. And, He's right, because if it doesn't have volume, you see what happens, right? I mean, yeah, you had this day right here. Was it January 8th? You had a nice volume day, and you 0001 to hit a high of a high of 0004 to close at 0001 again. So you just had this spurt here where a bunch of people made money and got out, or whatever the case might be. So again, I mean, Joe added what he could, but in the recent past, I mean, even in the last 2 months, this is where you're at. This is all you've had in the last 2 months here. So, hey, keep an eye on this one. Don't know what's going on. Something might be coming up. Congratulations again to Jobum, and that is going to be stock ticker symbol.
Yeah, but I'm not done yet.
Okay, well, if you want to keep pulling it up.
Well, they weren't, like, for a while, they weren't doing their filings or everything, but now they've become current again and everything else. So, I mean, it's definitely something to pay attention to. Or
Right.
maybe they were. Yeah, so why is there, all their filings are basically different over here than I normally look. They're all up on the top on OTC disclosure and news service.
Oh, really?
Whereas normally I look just for like the SEC filings, but these are all right in there. I mean, they're current.
Right. So
They've been.
right here, we see
Yeah,
Ernie
they've been.
Bilko mention it on the MVP board. BTDG should turn some heads this week. That was in May of 2015. I mean, I'm just looking up if there was any mentions on the MVP board. That's all that was. I mean, where did he say that at? Oh, yeah, right around here. So it really didn't do too much. I mean, where he mentioned it, you had time to sell and get out, and time to make a little bit more money there.
I was just looking through their quarterly as well. But that's 18 pages as well, so I mean,
Right.
we'll be sitting here for a while.
Yeah, so there's not that much. I mean, this looks like the only other post about it. BTDG is awake, question mark, from iDig over on Investors Hangout. Let's see what happens here. And that was on January 8th of this year. Yeah, you had that. That's where we seen that pop. So that's all I really have to add to this one, Joe.
Yeah, I mean, I would definitely sit down and look at it all, because I mean, it's the company in their quarterly. It shows a lot of different things that they have their hands in. So
Yeah.
anything's possible. I mean, I'd like to know why they had that balance owed to DirecTV, because I mean, and it's great that they paid it. It just shows that they're moving forward. But my thing is, what was that for? Is there a B2 Digital? They're a corporation aimed at the combination of management, technological development, and other opportunities by working in several fields such as entertainment, on-demand video delivery, internet through cable, fiber, and wireless networks. B2 Digital Incorporated has been able to work for the design, construction, and service of cable fiber network to the end user by supplying digital compressed technology. So they do something with digitally compressed technology, which is always a good thing, because I mean, to get it there, it's all about getting it there. Compressed and cheaper. Everything needs to cut costs some way, somehow.
Right.
And that is all I have, really. I mean, if you're interested, definitely research it.
Yeah, that's what you can't. I mean, exactly it. So, hey, that is BTDG. We're going to move forward here.